Start by installing solid support blocks under the damaged area so the shingle patch has a firm base. Measure the hole and probe the attic to find adjacent rafters or roof decking edges. If rafters are not accessible within a reasonable distance, plan for toe screwing blocks into the decking. Cut treated pine or equivalent roofing grade lumber into support blocks that are the same thickness as the roof decking or slightly thinner so the new decking sits flush. Dry fit each block so it contacts undamaged decking at the edges of the hole and spans any gap without forcing the surrounding materials apart. From the attic or from above if safe, fasten the blocks with corrosion-resistant screws long enough to penetrate into the rafters or at least 2 inches into solid decking, driving screws on opposite faces so the block cannot rotate. For larger holes, install multiple staggered blocks like a ladder to distribute load, and shim with thin pieces of plywood where gaps remain to create continuous bearing for the new decking. Finally, cut and install a replacement decking patch. Fasten it to the support blocks and rafters, underlay with compatible roofing underlayment, and lay shingles that match the existing pattern and nail placement. The most common mistake is using soft or untreated wood that rots or crushes under load, so always choose pressure-treated or exterior-grade lumber and seal cuts with a preservative. Another frequent issue is insufficient fastener length or quantity, which lets blocks shift, so use corrosion-resistant screws long enough to reach solid framing and place at least 2 screws per bearing surface. A third problem is failing to create continuous bearing, which leads to sagging. Correct this by shimming small gaps with exterior-grade plywood and ensuring the replacement decking sits flat and is screwed to every block and rafter it crosses. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a place to compare projects and finds based on real experiences, helping you locate professionals for structural roof repairs. We also help contractors find work and share expertise, and we host a discussion community where we exchange tips, ask questions, and learn from one another.